What is difference between mechanical wave and electromagnetic wave? For example, sound wave is a mechanical wave, and this sound wave is reaching up to you through the air, and here vibrations of the air particles are taking place. Vibrations of the air particles are taking place. But suppose if there is any light source and there is vacuum in between the light source and me, there is no medium, then vibrations of what thing will take place? That light wave is reaching to me, but now here there is no medium. In the sound wave, the medium is necessary, and the medium was air. And when sound was reaching from here to here, from me to you, then vibrations of the air particle were taking place. But now, if there is a light wave, and about light wave, we know that light wave is an electromagnetic wave which do not require any material medium for its propagation. तब किस चीज के वाइब्रेशंस हो रहे हैं वहां पर? क्योंकि वेव तो तभी प्रोड्यूस होगी जब क्या होंगे? वाइब्रेशंस होंगे। कोई भी वेव तभी प्रोड्यूस होगी जब वाइब्रेशंस होंगे। जैसे वायर है, उसको हम प्लग करेंगे, जब वो वाइब्रेट करेगा देन साउंड वेव विल बी प्रोड्यूस। So in the same way, light wave will also produce because of some vibrations. But वहाँ पर कौन से vibrations हो रहे हैं? So in that case, as we know that if you see the composition of the light wave, composition of light wave, it is produced due to the superposition of varying electric field and varying magnetic field when applied perpendicularly to the each other. Varying electric field means it is a time varying electric field. Its magnitude is varying from 0 to a definite value. It increases from 0 to a definite value, then decreases, becomes 0. Then direction will change, means just like the alternating current. Just like the alternating current. You have already studied that the electric current produces magnetic field. मैक्सवेल इक्वेशंस में हमको मालूम है इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोड्यूसेस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूसेस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। वेरिंग मैग्नेटिक फील्ड प्रोड्यूसेस इलेक्ट्रिक करंट। कैन यू नेम एनी वन एक्सपेरिमेंट इन व्हिच varying magnetic field is producing the electric current? It is the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. And who had discovered that electric current produces magnetic field? It was discovered by Oersted. Oersted had discovered that I can produce B and B can produce I. Means both are the sources of one another. Both are sources of one another. So if we take a time varying electric field and time varying magnetic field, and if they superpose normal to each other, then due to their superposition, a electromagnetic wave will produce, which will propagate in what direction? Normal to these two directions. जो किस डायरेक्शन में प्रोड्यूस को प्रोपोगेट करेगी? इन दोनों डायरेक्शंस के नॉर्मल प्रोपोगेट करेगी। नाउ हियर वाइब्रेशंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक वेक्टर एंड मैग्नेटिक वेक्टर्स आर टेकिंग प्लेस। हियर इन द प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ एनी इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव, vibrations of electric vector and magnetic vector are taking place. And what is the meaning of vibrations of electric vector and magnetic vector? Their magnitude is varying continuously. Its magnitude is varying continuously. 0 से E0 तक increase करेगा and then E0 to 0 decrease करेगा. Means if we draw one cycle, then here you can see this is the size of these arrows are representing the magnitudes of the electric vector. So their sizes are varying. Then after time t by 2, its direction will be changed and the variation will be in the same way. Increases from 0 to a maximum value and then decreases from maximum value to the 0. Here vibration means vibrations of electric field vector, vibrations of magnetic field vector, vibrations of E and B means the change in the magnitude of the values of E and B with time. It's clear? So when an electromagnetic wave is traveling, then in the electromagnetic wave vibrations of E and B are taking place. and what is the relation between their values. So if you see here, at any instant if it has a value E and it has a value B, then E upon B will be equal to C. E upon B equals to C, and what is C? It is the speed of light in vacuum, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It means whatever be the value of E and B, because these values are continuously changing. These values are continuously changing. When it is maximum, then it is also maximum, because both will vibrate in the same phase. E naught upon B naught will be equal to C. It's clear. Secondly, you can see here that E, B and C, all the three forms the mutually perpendicular directions. All the three are in the mutually perpendicular direction. E की डायरेक्शन ये है, B की डायरेक्शन ये है, C is normal to this board. C is normal to this board along the chart. So here all the three are forming orthogonal set of vectors. Vector E, vector B and vector C. All three forms the orthogonal set of vectors. Is clear? And thirdly, you can see here, if you fix the value of E, then the value of B will be automatically fixed. अगर E की वैल्यू फिक्स कर दे तो B की वैल्यू अपने आप फिक्स हो जाएगी. क्यों? क्योंकि इन दोनों का रेशियो क्या है? कांस्टेंट. इन दोनों का रेशियो विद टाइम चेंज नहीं होगा. These values will change with time, but the ratio will remain constant. So once the value of E is fixed, B will be automatically fixed in magnitude as well as in direction. So all of you remember that in propagation of any electromagnetic wave, what will happen? Here vibrations of electric vector and magnetic vector will take place. And vibrations of electric vector and magnetic vector means continuous change in the values of E and B. Magnitude is continuously changing, direction is changing after a fixed interval of time. Now see here, then one term, one more thing. Here in light, when we study the optics, then in optics we give more priority to the electric field vector. Optical phenomena are explained by using electric field vector. इसलिए क्या है, हम इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वेक्टर को ही अधिक वो करेंगे. आया क्या समझ में? केवल इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड वेक्टर के ऑक्सीलेशंस को डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड वंस its direction, its magnitude is fixed, then what will happen? Its direction and its magnitude will be automatically fixed. क्यों? क्योंकि B की डायरेक्शन E और C दोनों के नॉर्मल ही होगी, और वो डायरेक्शन क्या होगी? यूनिक डायरेक्शन. इसलिए so we will give more importance to the electric field vector. Now there is a very important term, wave front. Now main thing begins from here, wave front. See here, what is the wave front? So first you see from the mechanical view. Wave front. Suppose this is a pond and here it is filled with water. If you throw a stone here at the center, somewhere in the middle, if you throw a stone, what will you observe? You will find that circular ripples will produce, and these circular ripples will propagate in outward direction. These circular ripples will propagate in outward direction along the plane of this water surface. Along the plane of this water surface. These circular ripples cannot go in this direction because the water surface is along the board. They will propagate in outward direction. If you take some points at a fixed distance from the point O, point 2 is what? What is the point 2? It is the point at which the stone was thrown. It is the point at which the stone was thrown. So if you, this is the point of disturbance. If you take it some points P, Q, R at some fixed distance from the point O. Fixed distance from the point O. What will happen? You will find that the waves which will produce here, the pulse which will produce here, it will reach at these 3 points simultaneously. ये इन तीनों पॉइंट्स पर एक साथ पहुंचेगी. क्यों पहुंचेगी एक साथ? क्योंकि तीनों की डिस्टेंस O से क्या है? इक्वल है. मतलब अगर P is at 50 centimeter, Q is also at 50 centimeter from O and R is also at 50 centimeter from O, the wave which will produce here will reach at all the 3 points simultaneously. If you place a paper boat here, one paper boat has been placed here at all the 3 points, you will find that these paper boats will start oscillating at the same time. They will start oscillating at the same time and they will oscillate in the same phase. Oscillating in the same phase मतलब क्या होगा? तीनों बोट्स एक साथ मैक्सिमम पोजीशन, क्योंकि जब वाटर पार्टिकल्स ऑक्सीलेट करेंगे, ये कैसे ऑक्सीलेट करेगा? सपोज दिस इज द वाटर सरफेस, दिस इज द वाटर सरफेस, व्हाट विल हैपन? द बोट विल ऑक्सीलेट इन दिस वे. इसलिए ये सबने देखा होगा. सो ऑक्सीलेटिंग इन द सेम फेज मींस ऑल द 3 boats will simultaneously reach in the upward direction. All the 3 will cross to the mean position simultaneously. All the 3 will reach simultaneously in the downward direction, in the maximum displaced position in the downward direction, means they are oscillating in same phase. And same thing will be true for all other points which are lying on this circle. Okay, so we can say that all the water particles situated on this circle are oscillating in same phase, means this is a wave front. It is a wave front. It's clear? This we call as a wave front. What is wave front? You can write wave front. You write down. It is the locus of all those points. It is the locus of all those points. It is the locus of all those points of the medium which oscillate in the same phase. Which oscillate in the same phase. You write down. Which oscillate in the same phase. Now see here. Here I have explained for the mechanical wave. Now suppose there is a light source. At the point O there is a light source. At the point O there is a light source. Then what will happen? Light waves will be emitted from here. But now what is the difference between the propagation of light wave and propagation of that ripples? Ripples are propagating only along the surface, but light wave will travel in all the directions. Light waves will travel in all the directions. They will not only propagate along the surface of water. इसलिए surface of this board. आया समझे? रिपल्स जैसा उनका प्रोपोगेशन नहीं होगा. रिपल्स तो प्रोपोगेट करती हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सर्किल्स. इसलिए दे आर प्रोपोगेटिंग, जो सर्किल्स प्रोड्यूस हो रहे हैं सर्कुलर रिपल्स, दे आर इंक्रीजिंग इन द रेडियस. देयर साइज इज इंक्रीजिंग इन द रेडियस. बट हियर व्हेन देयर इज ए साउंड, देयर इज ए लाइट वेव, देयर इज ए लाइट वेव सोर्स एंड इट इज ए पॉइंट सोर्स, व्हाट विल हैपन? The waves which will produce from here, they will propagate in all the directions. They will propagate in all the directions. But here I have shown only this way. So see here, these light waves will reach at, these light waves will reach at PQR simultaneously. And when they will reach at PQR simultaneously, therefore the vibration of electric field vector at all the 3 points will be same. Vibration of electric field vector at all the 3 points will be same means उनका मैग्नीट्यूड, उनकी डायरेक्शन तीनों पॉइंट्स पर क्या होगी? सेम होगी. आया समझे? मीन्स electric field vector at all the 3 points will be in same phase. इसलिए therefore it is a wave front. But here wave front will not be circular. If you imagine, wave front will be spherical. Wavefront will be spherical, and why it will be spherical? Why it will not be circular? Because the light wave source is emitting the light waves in all the directions. It is clear? So in case of electromagnetic wave, what is wavefront? It is the locus of all those points at which the electric field vector of light wave exists in the same phase. You write down. In case of electromagnetic wave, in case of the light wave, wavefront means locus of all those points, at which electric field vector exists in the same phase. Locus of all those points at which electric field vector exists in the same phase. Electric field vector of light wave exists in the same phase. It's clear? Now one more thing you can see here. What is the direction of propagation of wave? Wave is propagating in this direction. Wave is propagating in this direction. Here it is propagating in this direction. And what is the surface of wavefront? It is normal to the direction of propagation of wave. Surface of wavefront will be normal to the direction of propagation of wave. So you write down, direction of propagation of wave is always normal to the wavefront. Is always normal to the wavefront. Now see here, what will be the types of wavefront? Types of wavefront. So if there is a point source of light, this is a point source of light. The waves which are emitted from the point source, they will diverge. They will diverge in this way. It is clear? What will be the wavefront at any instant? If you have to determine wavefront at any instant, suppose the speed of light is v. After time t, you have to determine the shape of wavefront. What will you do? In t time, wave will travel how much distance? V into t. Suppose v into t क्या आता है? 1 मीटर आता है. इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है? 1 मीटर आ रही है. You take a radius of 1 meter. With this as center, with this point O as center, you draw the sphere. It's clear? So this spherical surface, this will be the wavefront. This spherical surface will be the wavefront. So because of the point source of light at the nearby points, wavefront will be spherical. But as you know that if the rays are coming from a very far source, अगर क्या है बहुत दूर से waves आ रही हैं, तब क्या होगी? They will be almost parallel to each other. For example, sun rays are when reaching on the earth, then they are almost parallel. Over a small surface, if you see, then it is almost parallel. सन रेज का इंक्लिनेशन एक स्मॉल सरफेस पर, पूरी होल सरफेस पर देखेंगे तो वैसा नहीं है, तब तो वो क्या है? नॉट पैरेलल है. बट इफ यू आर कंसर्न्ड विद ए स्मॉल सरफेस, एंड वी विल बी कंसर्न्ड ओनली विद ए स्मॉल सरफेस. व्हाई? बिकॉज़ द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ अर्थ इज वेरी लार्ज. यू नो व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द 6.4 into 10⁶ meter. And if you determine the surface area, it will come out nearly 10⁻14 meter square, 4 pi r square. So surface area of Earth is very large. So if we see on the small surface, the rays which are coming from the sun, they are almost parallel. And since they are parallel, then what is the shape of wavefront? Wavefront का shape कैसा होगा? So as we know that wavefront is always normal to the direction of propagation of wave. Wavefront हरदम क्या है? Normal to the direction of propagation of wave. So here wavefront will be planar wavefront. It will be planar wavefront. It will be like this. You can see here. Wavefront will be like this. It will be a plane surface. It's clear? Because this plane surface, at every point of this plane surface, direction of propagation of wave is naught. It's clear? So there will be a planar wavefront. So all of you remember, if there is a diverging source of light or there is a converging source of light, see here, if in place of diverging rays, in place of diverging from here, if suppose they are converging towards the point O, now the rays are, these light rays are converging towards the point O. What will be the shape of wavefront? Shape of wavefront will remain same. It will remain same. It's clear? So all of you remember one thing, if the rays are diverging from some point or if the rays are converging towards some point, then wavefront will be spherical with that point at the center. Wavefront will be spherical with that point at the center. आया समझे? पर अगर क्या है, if we observe the shape of wavefront at a very far distance from the point source, if we observe the shape of wavefront at a very far distance from the point source, it will be of what type? It will be planar. This is clear? This thing is clear? Now see here, suppose there is a linear source of light. Linear source of light just like the tube light, just like a slit. How will you produce a linear source? हम कैसे लीनियर सोर्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे? लीनियर सोर्स प्रोड्यूस करने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है? ये क्या है? कार्डबोर्ड है, और इस कार्डबोर्ड में हमने यहाँ पर एक क्या कर दिया? स्लिट कट कर दिया। एक ये स्लिट को कट कर दिया। ये पूरा क्या है? यहाँ कार्डबोर्ड। And when you illuminate it with the tube light, what will happen? It will become a linear source. It will become a linear source. अगर क्या है, इसके अंदर में एक ट्यूबलाइट लगा दे, ये पूरा क्या है? बंद डिब्बा है, और एक ट्यूबलाइट लगा दे, तो जब हमको बाहर से दिखाई देगा तो हमको केवल क्या दिखाई देगा? ये दिखाई देगा। ऐसे कितना पोर्शन इल्यूमिनेटेड दिखाई देगा। मालूम होगा तुमने ऐसे बहुत चीजें देखी होगी, बहुत सारे ऐसे शो पीस आते हैं जिनमें बहुत सी डिजाइन बनी रहती है, अंदर क्या है? बल्ब लगा हुआ। देखा होगा भी दीपावली में, देखा? So this is a linear source of light. So in linear source of light, every point is like a point source. Every point is like a point source. It will emit out the waves in all the direction. What will be the shape of wavefront at any instant? So shape of wavefront at any instant will be cylindrical. Shape of wavefront at any instant will be cylindrical with linear source of light as the axis of that cylinder. This is the linear source of light. Source of light. It's clear. Here waves are traveling in this direction. Wavefront is cylindrical. So you can see here, in case of a linear source of light, wavefront will be cylindrical with linear source of light at axis. ठीक है? So you write down. If there is a point source of light, if there is a point source of light, then due to it at the nearby points, wavefront will be spherical. At the nearby points, wavefront will be spherical. But at a very far distance, from it, waves will become almost parallel. therefore wavefront will become planar. Wavefront will become planar. In the linear source of light, wavefront will be cylindrical. Wavefront will be cylindrical with source of light as the axis of the cylinder. With source of light as the axis of the cylinder.